So if I hit scan right now, just to tell you what will happen, you won't see anything here. It's going to be a skeleton loader, which is not a bad thing. But what happens is it takes quite a while because it's generating 200 keywords, then it's checking the volume, and then it comes back. And it's actually scoring it based on the trend as well. So it's doing quite a lot in the background that I think we need to be transparent in the loading state. So I'm actually going to take the effect from the other micro SaaS that I did, which is called Lorai.app, okay, which I won't get into that one. But essentially, that is a bad experience because if you have something taking a while to load, users could bounce. So this is what I'm going to do, is do the loading states. We are going to do this with Claude Code, and then we're going to go live to Vercel, okay? But one small thing is we can't actually test it because we're locked out. So this is what I'm going to say, okay? This is actually from the last video. So we are on to the next. Do we call it a feature? Is it a feature? Onto the next update. So at the moment, we have a skeleton loading state on the table, but it can be quite long. I think we need a loading spinner state component above the table. And I'm spelling things wrong, which is saying the events or steps the app is doing, such as generating your profile, generating 200 keywords, checking volume, checking trends, and then scoring, and then mining nuggets. That's the end of it. And you can imagine an animation where it's just showing you one at a time. It will appear, go away, the next one comes in, appear. You see this in all the other AI platforms. We need this same loading effect from another app, which is Lorai. This is in another folder. This is the crazy thing. So I'm currently, let me just check actually. Oh gosh, because this might hit the context window. So this is another nice thing since I'm showing this all. So we are on Minepath. Okay, that's good. We are on Minepath folder, which is in another folder. Okay. So I think I've got everything and I'm going to hit enter. Add variables. So it looked at, did it find Lorai? Yes, it looked at Lorai. It could see the spinner and an animated blur and slide text swap. So I've got everything I need. Does that match what you had in mind? Yes. However, because the current state has a scan lock, I cannot test it. So can can you create a playground so I can check the loading state and table data? Okay, let's leave it at that. So this is another thing that I learned from, is that if you are using tokens, we're using Claude API, we're using our tokens for this app, okay? So you're burning tokens when you're testing, and that's not always efficient. So a playground lets you create or mimic the user flow, and you could either have mock data, so you're not using real data, and then you can test the flow, because as a designer, you're going to really fixate on the details. So you're going to iterate a lot. So it's done a clean build and you have a playground. Nice. Okay, so let's go straight to that. I could probably just click here, command and click. Let's see if that appears. Okay, that's okay. We got them in two places. Let's see what happens. Ooh, table state. So maybe we just have this. Mining your nuggets. Okay, so I don't think we need the top left. This is where agentation can come in, but I haven't got this tool running. So this is where it gets the nitty gritty and you're going back and forth prompting, which is, it can kill energy. Okay, so I don't think we need the top left because we have that on the right and center. So also, I don't think we need both the right and center together. So one on the right should use the spinner component too, but be positioned on the left. Also, can we have two, like, how do you call it, two parts? I want to check how it looks with, how it longs, oh my gosh, how it looks with either one. So seeing two variants. So it's actually quite good. We're going into the detail a bit. The only thing is that you're now using natural language within Claude Code to do the design, and sometimes trash in, trash out, where I might not be explaining it or typing it correctly, and it might come up with something that's not intended, and we can't blame the model or the LLM. It's the human. Got it. Remove the top left. Two loading variants to compare. A is a spinner, stays in line in the header row, left side above. B is spinner. Okay. Both with skeleton. Let's see how that works out. And again, the mindset is you don't want to be perfectionist. This is a micro SaaS. So this works out quite nicely. You can see it with the table. Here it's got the, yeah, that works well. Let's see how it looks on B. That's dead center now. Nice. I think the dead center one is clean. They look great, but I think the only thing is, because it's gonna be moving, isn't it? It feels at the moment this is gonna be the one. So they look great. Let's go with variant A. Okay, so I think variant A is great. Let's just go with that. And then hopefully it's going to do a build to check for errors. Funnily enough, when you do that, it says 0, but when you push it to Vercel catches a different error. And again, not sure why, because you're going from local to production. And we are going to see how that works out. And I didn't want to test it live with a new user because I have to go through the whole authentication. I have to basically sign up with a new email, check the email. And again, if you want to try this out, this is free for 14 days, no credit card required. Pushed. Can we now wire the scan to the header too? Do we need it in the header? Okay, let me check the live. So this was on, we did one earlier. Okay, so it's building. Great. Hopefully, and that's another thing. You can have a time on the thing, on your loading status, but I'm not, there's just so many things you can do. This is the live right now. 4 scans left. Oh, maybe I can test it on this one. And you can see the Google Trends not working. So I hit refresh on this. Let's see what happens. Okay. Can I refresh it here? Generating your profile, generating 200 keywords. This should decrement. Decrement, is that such a word? It should say 3 scans left. So maybe something's not working. obviously it's not great. That should decrement and lock, unless it's because I'm an admin. That's probably what it is, right? So let me just make sure. There we go to billing. Interesting. Oh, I think because I am an actual user. Anyway, sorry, I'll go on tangents. So you can see that worked pretty well. Conversion rate optimization tool. Look at that volume. Look at the difficulty, and the intent is high. What is intent? CPC, or cost per click. That's a high score. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that this is a good idea, but you know the demand is there. Okay, 17 with 0, there's nothing related. These are my current bookmarks. Okay, lesson plan template. Anyway, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video. There's going to be another video that I just spotted, another fix, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.